We'll guide you through how to use the eraser tool in Krita. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Krita on your computer. Once you're in, you'll want to select the layer you intend to erase from in the Layers docker, which is usually located on the right side of your screen. If you can't find it, go to the View menu at the top, then navigate to Dockers and make sure Layers is checked. Now, look at the toolbar on the left side of the screen. You should see an icon that looks like an eraser, which is typically positioned around the middle of the toolbar. Click on it to activate the eraser tool. Alternatively, you can switch to the eraser tool quickly by pressing the E key on your keyboard, which is a great shortcut to remember if you plan on using the eraser frequently. With the eraser tool selected, you can start erasing on the canvas. Just click and drag over the areas you want to remove. If you want to change the size or type of the eraser, look at the top of the screen where the tool options are displayed. Here, you can adjust the brush size using the slider or choose a different brush preset for more creative erasing effects. If you accidentally erase something you didn't mean to, simply press Ctrl and Z to undo your last action, which is another handy shortcut. Erasing works just like painting, so you can also use the pressure sensitivity of your graphics tablet if you have one to control the strength of the erasing. Remember, if you're not seeing any changes, double-check that you're on the correct layer and that it's not locked. You can lock and unlock layers with the small lock icon next to the layer name in the Layers docker. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.